In this video, I will show you shortcut key to apply page borders in MS Word document. Click anywhere, Alt G, then PB, and here select. Now press X, then press Enter. So we can see we have this page border. To make stylish page border, again Alt G, PB, P for page and B for border, PB. Now use the style, so you can use the arrow, and once you press Y and you use the arrow, so you can select any style like this one. Similarly, C for color, W for width. So use the keyboard to make these changes. And guys, once you see any option, so there is the underline for any particular option to make it apply. Now press enter like this. Thanks for watching.